How to download Cuphead on PC or laptop. Welcome back to Glitz Sorcerer, and let's get right into the video. To download Cuphead on your PC, you need to get yourself Steam. If you have already, you can skip this step. Select on Install Steam button. Once installed, make sure to log in or create an account for your Steam. Once logged in, at the top you will see a search bar. Search for Cuphead. Tap on Cuphead or any edition that you want to purchase. Cuphead will charge you certain amount to download and install on your PC. To download, all you have to do is purchase it. Select on Add to Cart option. You can select if it's for your own account or as a gift as well. Then select on View My Cart option. After you successfully complete the transaction to purchase your Cuphead, you'll be able to install without a hassle. That brings to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We hope that we were able to help you.